You can upload ExamView test right into itslearning. The questions, all of the choices, and the answer key all transfers over with a few simple clicks. To begin, open your test in ExamView. Go to your File drop-down menu and choose Export. Choose the last option, WebCT. Choose a folder location for this test. I'm going to put it right in my documents. And I'm going to give the file a name. And save it. Here, I'm going to use the test title as the category name, say OK. And now if I go to my documents, I can see in my recent files, here is the test immigrant. Here it does download as a zip file. So if I go to documents, here it is here. Okay, so now I'm going to close out of ExamView and I'm going to open itslearning. From here, I'm going to go to Apps and Tools. And I'm going to choose the Content Migration Utility. And I'm going to add file. I'm going to choose the test file I just created and open. Now I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of my list here and find that zip file. And now I need to select content. I'm going to make sure the entire test is selected. I also need to choose where I want this test to be uploaded to. So I'm going to choose a course. And I am going to upload it to my lots of courses here. I'm going to upload it to my differentiation course. And once I've done that, selected, now I have a migrate content button. I'm going to choose migrate. And it says I'm importing one file, which has no errors. And I hit confirm. You may get an error if your ExamView test has a test question that is not recognized by itslearning, but for the most part, you should not get errors in the file. If I go back to my file management, I can see that that test immigrant has completed. So now I am going to go over to my courses and go to my differentiation course. So I should be able to find that exam if I go to resources, and at the very bottom of my resource list, I can see here is the grade 9 selection test. If I open that test, I can go to my test questions and I can see here are all the test questions. This test happened to be 25 multiple response. I can click any one of these test questions and I can see, once it finishes loading, the test questions, the choices, and notice that the answer key came through as well. The correct choice has been marked. Okay, and if I go back, I can still from here change the scoring, add standards, add additional questions, or I can just leave the test as it is. Hope this helps.